Hey guys, got everything going. Now it's time to take everything back apart. It was just a big giant tease having everything all mocked up. So I got my neighbor buddy here, Taylor, and time to start ripping it back apart. I need to find out how to put the use it. Oh, I can do that. Alrighty, made some progress. Taylor had to leave already. As you see, got the front clip off. Got the shifter out. Got that front bumper off. Probably won't ever put that back on. And headlights out and stuff, of course. There we go. If you've been following any of my builds, you've seen how amazing taking this thing off is. Look at all that room. I just get to slam that out. If you were paying attention earlier, all I did was drop the steering rack just off so that I can pull the engine forward and not clip it. But if you saw, I was like inside the engine bay kneeling because that whole front end could come off like that, so that was pretty cool. However, I am stuck now because my little rotary lift here, it's an awesome one. It's a 10,000 pound lift, but it was converted to run off of 12 volt DC. Was it? I think it's DC car battery, whatever that is, for like a dump truck style pump, which is up there. And long story short, it's drained. So I have to wait for that to charge, and I cannot get the transmission bracket off because I can't get underneath there. So I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. One quick thing to note, and I'll go over this in a later video, but I have decided to go away with the ABS. I'll get into it in the next video whenever I take it out. But yeah, gonna take a break for tonight. See you in a minute with hopefully tomorrow night. Probably not though. Peace. Alright, back at it again. It's 9 o'clock and it's freaking 106 degrees out, but whatever, we're going to finish it out. Taylor's back here again, we're going to get it done. Oh gosh. I might have to reposition it a bit. It doesn't have all the weight up here anymore. So now it's back heavy.
So you gotta pull it forward a little bit. Where you at now?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Let's see. So let's
Go on the side off all night.
Later.